All right. Yesterday we discussed about Sonak Barawa with his, you know, deceptive post. What do I mean by that? A post of Okigwe youth where they, formed their own vigilante group to defend themselves, to protect their land. What they told us, I don't know, but they said that people that are fighting with Biafran name are not, they don't want to trust them anymore, so they have issue with them and all that. Then they have to form a group, which I shared them here. I shared their clip here, their video. That the same people that we are seeing here on this picture, okay, are the same group of people that Sonak Barawa actually shared, telling you that Zoo, according to him, that they are falling one by one every day. Then he told us that this guy can lie with anything, that this is his intention, this is what he's trying to do. He want to use this because any group now that bear arms, Sonak Barawa and Ogekere will share it and tell you that men mount. They don't care about the source of the video. They don't care about who actually are those people. So, not until I played that video here, I believe most of you have watched that. And the guy who happened to be one of the leader of the vigilante of Okigwe youth or Okigwe people said that they're not against Biafra movement, but some people are using it to perpetrate crime and they can't take it anymore. That Okigwe is not the only land in Biafra land. One must see be them. That if you go to Abia, he said a lot of things. That if you go to Abia State now, Okigwe people are there looking for a house to rent. That a lot of people have run away from the community, and they have taken it upon themselves to defend the land. Like I said, he said a lot of things. Now, Sonak Barawa, seeing or hearing what the guy said on that video, they don't make another post. That's why you need to follow us here, because sometimes some of these things is kind of a continuation of what we have discussed before. I know that people that will understand what I'm saying now are those that have always watched our video. Very, very important that we do so. And this is me begging you to like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Do all you can to follow us on our sister platform as well. So please put your comment and let us know where you're watching. Not know where you're. Let us know what you think about it, because I know these days nobody want to talk about where he or she resides. So I understand that, but let's continue. I'm going to share with you the post. Let me try my best to zoom this post here so that you yourself can see, because the guy in question, Okute Biafra, is another, another person that loves dishing out lies. He don't joke with lies. It is, in fact, it is his hobby. Just like Sonak Barawa as well. People that love dishing out lies, pretending that they are for Biafra and that they mean good. Read the post, the comment, the post he made here. Breaking: first come, first collect. Angels at work. Fund BDF, only way to freedom. When you pay attention here, the same video that he shared to us the other day, where this guy was talking, and anybody that carry arms can say anything. He was actually saying that he can face anybody anytime, that they just pipe low, and BLA are fighting, are acting as if that's talking to Jamaica and Gento, that they're acting as if they're strong and all that. I don't want to go through what he said, but after saying that, this guy made this post with that video where he said what I just quote now from him, and they put another one where they abandon their clothes and run. So that's what this guy is trying to tell you, that they have attacked these people and they abandoned the clothes. That's why he said first come, first collect. Angels at work. Fund BDF, only way to freedom. The question is, why must we, always attack our own? Like, if this guy, if the primary purpose is to protect the community and defend the Biafra land, isn't it? So far, these guys are not actually waging war against you. Maybe they want to protect their land by themselves. You don't need to go after them. Do you understand? Unless if they're working maybe with those that are looking for a way to buy you. I'm just saying based on someone who is watching from afar, because I don't see any reason. I don't think it's wise for people to, you know, you know, join head together and start attacking each other. I don't buy to that idea. Now, here, let us go to the comments. Somebody's attacking this guy called the Okute Biafra. This guy is something, I don't want. I'm trying to stop talking about people that are, all these intellectuals, web face agitators. I have talked about them in the past. I think I'm trying my best to limit talking about them. Look at this. Look at it. People understand what he's trying to say. He said, this guy said, I said, confusion everywhere. You praised. He said, you praise today, tomorrow another day, tomorrow another thing. That means you praise them today, tomorrow another thing. That's what I'm trying to say. Who are those in red? Last time I checked, you are praising them, like Sona Barwa did. As I expected and predicted, Ebon. Okay. Isi Mary said, pure lies. This never happened in Okigwe. Some say confirm. Okay. Sisu said, Onuku. Are we still wondering who is spying our people? Gentle and Jamaica etc. are responsible. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about who's spying our people, but anybody have right to say whatever they want to say. You cannot continue to deceive innocent people again. This time, Okigwe people is out to stop all this criminality of autopilot terrorists, DOS members talking. Okay, no wonder what was your comment before? Felt like this, okay. This DOS member. Once I hear autopilot someone link up or to somebody that you know that is defeating or doing something that you know that is not welcomed by even PM himself, and you want to drag his name there. The only group that can do that are only one, and that is DOS. So, and DOS is not some people anybody should take serious. You understand? Don't to take them serious at all. Now, I have other news before we end this live broadcast. Did I say live broadcast? Before we end this video, I thought this is a recorded video, so please do me a favor by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. So let us go through this post from this guy called Chude. He said, let me expand it. Okay. He said, when I say this insecurity happening in the southeast is within, this is what I meant. 80% of the kidnapping and criminality in Southeast are carried out by people like this, parading themselves as freedom fighters. Just listen. Okay, but 80% of the security are this. Maybe I don't know, but people have a way of passing their own information. Sometimes arguing with them will not actually solve the problem. So sometimes you just keep quiet so that peace will reign. But I hate it when people condemn their own. That's my, unless if you have evidence about it, then I can relate. Honestly, I can relate. Now, the video you are watching now happen to be people who claim that they are working, they are for Biafra, they are fighting and all that. Okay, so we are going to start from the beginning. Please do me a favor, bring your ear. Now listen. Start from beginning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. 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 How 49 years. Okay, can you come please? No. Before camp on before. Camp will be. Okay, the camp, the last camp on no. What is it? Okay. Okay, no camp will be. Mwadone, all the Kanda Kichura Bulu Batakam. I like Mwadone total. You know, never. When you live between Lubia, what all the use of a big Gulugoteria? Ah, boy, Bumuto Batamuta and another mother. Okay, then Eben calls on no. Camp Eben calls on no. Kissing whatever. What is the kind? What do you go whatever? As of then. When you will be 6. When you will be 6. The back on the Korea. What on the mother? However, okay, the highest one to know the neighbor. Sarah, where Jeep would you have? Yes. Okay. I'm going to book a book. Okay, Lulubi. Shut up. I went there. Oh, my God, Motonila, Bukan, or Yesia. My pastor, my city, my friend. I was a young children ever. Oh, my motor, I'm not going to bite. No, Buka motor now. They book a Mercedes. They book a Toyota Highlander. Motor Bukareba can push some things are the range. They book arrange some pass. I need to chop that. No, young motor. We recover all here. Which is in the Barocco. Okay, before you pull up for the man and the Buka motor there. Okay, get department on there. And so go away and I go to and go and go to Jissini. Nacy. And get an going with freedom if you ever. The Kekos up. I'm going to hear Jissini, but I need many parts of rice and granite and many things. Baba may see. About to get all you better to go in there. Before Batani Maba, how about Chago? Give me secretary in there. Oh, one is just there. Okay. Now, Eba Campones for last. Eba on last. What is the color? Like, more do like if you're going to picture any good about from Caesar and getting how many people?
Now, I want you to listen to, the reason why I'm playing this for this long is because I want you to know what this guy said that he is and the connection he has with, Okunwolo Wanegu. Because if the reason why I decided to, read out this text here is for you to know what where this post, the person that made this post is coming from. Trying to talk to, people in the homeland. Of course, other people will tell you IPOB, Biafrans, right? And you're going to hear what this man said here. That is the reason why I'm actually playing this in first place. Just play it.
How many? Okay. Another thing said, I know you're good. Okay, take a secret number. Okay, and here we have a position in Osumi. I say IPOB. Okay, more connect Osumi or Mbanese. More connect Osumi. Also, so many gain a connect. So many gain a connect.
Now, this is the reason why I'm playing this is just not because I drive joy in this kind of stupid behavior of some of our people. You know that you're a criminal. You know what you can do. Then you join agitation to do what? To criminalize, to siphon, to support evil. What do we normally hear before from Mega Gift and the Citizen Observer? Oh, Simon Ekpason, the kidnapper is he's one. Oh, they are the one. This is DOS members. Autopilot don't have anything in coordinator. They don't do this family meeting every Sunday. You go and do meeting one. They don't do it. What they do is PM notice that. That's one thing that he learned from Mazda McCann. What USB is doing is different from what people normally do. This is part of it. PM changed that thing. The reason because he saw the level of criminality and cabal that coordinating unity and zonal unity and this one can cause. He noticed it. He just dissolved that. So any meeting at all, you have to come up and do your fundraising. As simple as that. But not to say that he's against gathering. No. You can gather, but not in that kind of manner of okay, this is a coordinator. Imagine what makes this guy have the position of coordinator is what? Because of building of Kaba. They know his character. Then of course people know him. Of course, are the one that gave him that post. He's here telling you everything. As a coordinator of he's also Sumei, somewhere in Anambra State. He's the one cooking for kidnappers in the bush. Now, again, the video is almost at the end anyway.
Okay. This Hausa, iji nọmba Hausa. Kekwe onye ọzọ ijikwa nọmba ya. Iji nọmba ose. Afa kọmando nọ. N'ime ebe a. Na-ekwusi okwu ike.
He's trying to record the name, fear, and he's trying, and somehow this when a criminal begins to do this kind of thing, is either he's doing it genuinely or maybe he's trying to cook up lies. But that's not why we're here. I just want us to know, to see, to feel what people are. For those of our people claiming that PM is a problem, PM who did this and did that, for them to see that not only the more as you are claiming that you are against criminality, you are against this, you are against that, you cannot deny the fact that many of them also that you claim that many of your group are somehow also doing one dirty business like that. Nobody is free from crime. No group, is free from crime. So whether you are DOS or anything, and that does not mean you don't need to tie it on somebody like PM or Mas Namorika, unless if your intention is very, very bad. No, I'm not in support of any criminality or claim of anybody, like I always say, and I'm serious about it. But on the course of doing that, sometimes you criminalize somebody whose hands are very, very clean, and that becomes an issue. So please tell me what you think about it and the lies of Okute Biafra, who don't even know anything. But you see, they're celebrating buying of people and all that. Fun enough, and you want people to see that and just forget about it. No, all this things need to stop. If you want to protect land, you protect people, and you cannot protect somebody that you don't love. I keep on saying that. So for you to act or parade yourself that you are protecting somebody that you don't love, that means you are looking for a day or a time to buy the person officially. Please like, leave, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. God bless you and see you again. Happy you get to your